I've always been thinking that most of the under-sink reverse osmosis system would be the same or at least very similar. But the Frizzlife PD600-N, which I got from the seller to show you and I've installed a couple of days ago, makes such a huge difference. So I definitely wanted to show you that here because it's a huge upgrade to my old system. And so let's start with the smart faucet here, which has this really nice display. By the way, it's not flickering, it's just a thing of my camera, which shows the ppm of the built-in TDS meter 008, absolutely perfect. But of course, that's the number before the remineralization, the alkaline filter. We see also the filter status here, really nice. But we can also see that down here where we have the main device. And as you can see, it fits really nicely here underneath this farm sink. Yeah, this is something which I think is really important, and a lot of manufacturers are still not aware of that. A lot of people are using such sinks, and so I've been super happy to see that this Frizzlife packed all the stuff here, all the even large filters here into this small case. Of course, we just have the two main filters here inside. The alkaline filter is in the back, but it still has a nice fit in the back. And I didn't even have to attach it to the wall. It has a pretty secure stand on its own. And here we have the exact same information, also the filter information and the ppm, which is exactly the same as up here. Yeah, absolutely awesome. We also have the reset and manual flush, but it does also an automatic flush or backwash. So we usually don't have to do anything here. We can just keep it here working, reliable, doing its job and producing this absolutely awesome water here. By the way, what I really like here is that we can turn this faucet to the side while the main unit down here is not moving a bit. You can see with my old faucet from my old reverse osmosis system, it was always moving. Here we have really high quality soft rubber down here, and also underneath was super easy to add. By the way, I did it alone, removed the old system, added the new system here alone, and it works really good. This is much better. Also, what's better here is the connection to the water pipes is a little bit longer. It's not just the short metal connector which you have from a lot of faucets. Here there was a longer pipe, so it's easier to access it from underneath. Also, huge advantage. It's actually recommended to always use the full setting, not something in between, but I've never seen any malfunction. And so we can start to fill it here. You can see super easy. You can even lift the glass here and then just close when finished. And what you also heard probably, that it's super quiet here. Down here within this cabinet underneath the sink, it's almost impossible to hear anything, and the backwash doesn't start right away. So usually you can just hear a little bit of the compressor while you're using the water, and after that usually stops immediately. It has some automatic AI reverse function which is activated automatically after some time of using. And the best of everything is the absolutely amazing water quality. Not only the quality but also the taste because of the remineralization. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. I've already tested the water of a lot of reverse osmosis filter systems, and this one I like definitely the most by far. And not only me, I gave it to try to all the family members here, and they are usually very skeptical. They were usually just using bottled water, and so I gave them a glass of this PD600-N to try, and there was absolutely zero complaint about that. So the remineralization and pH increase of the alkaline filter definitely pays off. Of course, we have to know that what we are drinking here is not this 008 8 or at least below 10 ppm from this TDS meter. It's much higher. I've measured it and here it showed around 75 ppm, and this is because this system is first removing all the bad stuff, brings the ppm here from around 250, all the bad stuff which we have here in the city water from these very old lines, removes pretty much everything to 008 or at least around that. It will go up and down a little bit, just a little bit, and then after that it's adding the good stuff, all these good minerals which can be very helpful and makes it a much better taste. But of course that brings it up to around 70, maybe 80 ppm, but that's absolutely perfect. The installation overall was super easy, much easier than the old system. What I also liked is the amount of accessories which I got here, all the extra pipes, the extra adapters, locking clips, pretty much everything, so I didn't have to buy any other stuff. Of course, I've been able to reuse parts of the old installation, like the drainage pipe, fresh water pipe, but still amazing how good everything worked. And I absolutely love the fit down here. For me, it was really difficult to find something which fits underneath. And even though we have the remineralization filter on top, or actually in the back, it still fits here. And so everything which has been underneath fits as well. And part of the reason why it works is because we have all the connections to the water lines in the back in a vertical position, while the old one had it on top and then it could be very tight. I've seen other ones which have it straight to the back. Here I think with this vertical position in the back, I think it's the absolute best, the absolute perfect solution. What I also like here in this filter is the extended filter life duration. The two-stage main filter and the remineralization filter lasting around 1000 gallon or around 1 year, where you can use around 3 gallon per day, and the reverse osmosis filter itself even up to 2 years. Yeah, it's really hard to find anything negative about this system. Maybe the only thing here is, of course, this rather large smart faucet here. It's a little bit higher, it's a little bit angled, and it has a little bit larger base here. Probably fits perfectly in a lot of kitchens, but here we have this rather dark faucet, main faucet here, and my wife wanted a perfect match here also for the reverse osmosis faucet. And so I tested it already with our old black one. It's a very simple one, just has this handle here and the faucet, no display, no nothing. So I cannot hook up the extra cable for the electronics, but I tested it already and it worked absolutely with no problems. So it looks like the cable is just to display the information and actually not needed to work. But of course I can't guarantee that it will always work. This is just my personal experience. So of course I've been testing it just for a short time. Of course these filters are aging then over time, and with the usage, depending on how much you use, at the moment it's absolutely perfect for me, but I'll see after a couple of months or even years how it's performing on the long run. But I have really high expectations here, because what I've seen during the installation makes a really good impression, a really solid thing. Of course it comes also with the instructions manual, but for testing I've installed it completely without checking the instructions manual, and it worked absolutely perfect. There was no obstacle, straightforward installation, pretty much plug and play. That's always important for me to see how easy or how complicated it is, and that was also perfect. Yeah, I really love it, and even my whole family loves it. And so I would say full recommendation from my side. If you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the videos. You can check it out and order such a system for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this Frizzlife PD600-N reverse osmosis system, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.